One of the most frustrating things to happen at work is having tech issues. They say you can see someone's true colors by how they deal with it. But luckily, at the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, we have the service desk.
They're the first stop for any issues and any support, and that's where people call usually, and they get help from there.
Igor Kurtzman is a senior systems administrator within the technology services branch. He says he's loved tinkering with computers for as long as he can remember.
This is my 19th year. Started with the service desk and dealing with more of the hands-on and one-on-one types of troubleshooting and issues, and setting up people with their computers and printers and fixing issues related with that.
The technology services team is based here in the Whitney block. It's across the street from the building commonly referred to as Queen's Park. But their work reaches far beyond these walls.
Besides supporting people on premises in the building here, they also deal with constituency offices. The constituency offices are a bit of a unique setup because there is an office for every MPP, and they're all across Ontario. There's more than 100 of them. Some MPPs have actually more than one office, and all of them have staff, and all of them have technology and computers, and somebody has to support them.
It's like having a bunch of satellite offices, but these offices are changing every time there's an election. When support analysts receive a help request, it's logged as a ticket. And people like Burhan Mohammed are dealing with close to 200 tickets every week.
Sometimes I will be spending all my day here on the desk. Sometimes I would be doing a lot of work up and down. And sometimes it would be a mix of both.
There are 3 ways people reach out.
One would be coming through phone calls, which is directly you would respond to. The second one would be coming through walk-in, where the client actually walk into the service desk. And the third one would be through emails.
In Kurtzman's current role, he's focused on projects like large-scale configurations and technological updates.
Initially, we had more hardware and more things hosted here in the building.
But since 2017, the branch has been moving the LAO's software and resources online.
This is how my role has changed over the years, just kind of a slow transition, and we're still in that transition, moving things to the cloud.
But he's still able to jump in and help the support analysts if needed.
It's an amazing team. If you look at this team, is really a really tight-knit team. At the end of the day, the service that you're delivering, you deliver it for the rest of Ontario, not only the members, but their staff. And not only their staff, but the staff that support those staff, which is our staff in LAO. So providing that service are actually a trigger that goes all the way into that bigger windows, which is Ontario.
To continue to get to know the LAO, follow us on social media, and be sure to like this video if you learned something new today. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.